Yes.
5 band.
2 for 1. 2 for 1. Oh my gosh, no. Ooh, that one. Yes. Double. Oh my gosh, what a shot.
I'm super excited. Haven't used the 410 in a while. So we got the old over under 410 out here on a nice little pigeon hunt. So I'm hunting this little kind of flooded spot where the cows drink out of the tub, and it had overflown with water. So it's gonna warm up here. It's probably 80 degrees right now. Once it warms up, these pigeons, they'll go to the barn, they'll hang out there, and then they'll come get a drink of water. So I've got my decoys set up around the water. It looks awesome. 2 spinners, super excited. Wind is gonna be off my left shoulder. They ought to be coming right in, right to left. I'm gonna be kind of hidden up against this fence. We'll see what happens.
Here we go, here's a pair. Oh, single. Got one. Oh man, that feels good. That feels good. One down. Awesome. 410. Yes. Alright, it's waking up out here.
They waited until about 30 minutes after shooting time. First one's down. They're starting to fly now.
Here we go, here's a single. Coming right up the fence line. Little going away shot there. Yes! Yes! 410, baby. Okay, 2 down. That one kind of got on top of me. I don't know if it was coming back or not. 2 singles to start the morning. We will take that action all day long. Only got 2 shots, so pairs would be ideal. Just pairs all morning. Gosh, who doesn't love a couple of pairs all morning? I don't know if you guys can see this, but that is all pigeon poo there. All this fence, all up on their barns. That's why I'm allowed to come out here, because these things just poo on everything they've got, all their tractor equipment. They don't even care if I do this next to their cows or their equipment anymore. They hate them so much. I mean, there's thousands of them that are in this area flying over the field and all of their stuff. And they usually come back here about midday, the big mass of them. So might be waiting a bit, but we'll get a couple of singles to start this off. Hope y'all are enjoying it. Here we go. Dang, that was a pretty far shot. Oh wow. I honestly did not think I was gonna hit that one. I had to try, and I'm not gonna lie, I can't believe I just made that shot, guys. That is every bit of 45, 40 plus yards.
I'm gonna do a little clean and cook as well today. Been a big air fryer fan lately. Nice, easy, and quick.
Here's a single. Here we go. Here we go. Yes. 4 down. Okay. Slow morning so far, guys. Sorry about that.
You guys got to let me know if I should bring the old 410 for duck and goose season this year. I didn't last year, and I kind of regretted it. If you guys want me to use it in some videos, let me know in the comments below. Yes. Ain't coming nowhere. Got a couple more.
Come here, come here. Yes. All right, we got a couple. They're starting to fly back now. Yes. Come on, Pidge. Yes. Yes. 3 more. Yes. Little. All right, it's getting warmer. It's happening. I don't know what to say. I've been sitting here about an hour and a half with nothing, and these came out of nowhere. So we got 3 more down. 410. Okay, come here. There's a big. Do it good. Yes. Here we go. White wing. Ooh, that one's cool looking. Sometimes when they might spin around. Oh, what a shot! Oh my gosh, oh, it heated up real quick. Reload. Just got a cool one there. That one was cool looking. Here we go, another one. Yes, double! Oh my gosh, this is heating it up real quick. Wow. Okay, there's more coming. Oh my gosh. It's just like a light switch. Oh my gosh. Oh, he swerved me. I got one though. Oh my gosh. I think we just got 7 there. Yes, okay. What a little turn of events. I was really worried. We might come back here. Sometimes with these pigeons, when you get one and they see it fall, the others will kind of come and circle and come check things out, which is super strange because there's a loud bang going off, but sometimes that happens. So if you go pigeon hunting and you get one and the rest of the flock sees it go down, reload quick and get ready because they could spin around. Awesome. Well, I think we're in double digits now. Okay, got him. I was a little in front of it. Barely got him. I think that one got the little dome piece. Oh, this got fun real quick, guys. It's turning up. Sweet. Oh, it's working, man. I was so worried. I came out here for nothing. We've got them flying back now. They gotta want a little agua, you know? They gotta want some water. I bet it's touching 90 degrees now. I'm getting hot. Okay, I'm gonna go pick up some of these, kind of get them more in the decoys. Those last ones I got. Far ones. Kind of set them up in the spread. This is a unique looking one. Hard to tell. Got a little brand to it. Oh, one right over me. I got one with a white wing a minute ago. That's the one I wanted to find. Okay, put that in there. Where's that one with the white wing? There's your standard pidge. Here she is. Oh my gosh, no freaking way. Oh, we got a double banded one. Oh my gosh. Of course it's on the sexy bird. Got a plastic one and a real like ARPU band. Sick. American racing pigeon. We got a no way, we picked it out. Oh my gosh, that's sick. All right, we got them all in the decoys now. That is so cool. Okay. Oh, Whitey's gonna freak out. That is so funny. Oh my gosh. I said white wing. All right, that is cool. Double band. Oh, got a flock right here. Yep. Ha! Got him. Dang, that thing was hauling butt. This is turning out to be an insane day. Oh my gosh. Okay. I'm gonna have to go get that one here in a sec. See, they're coming back. I knew it. They may not decoy every time, but hey, we can get one on the flyby like that. We're in good shape.
Oh my gosh. That caught me so off guard. I was just picking them up, moving them into the decoys, and happened to see some blue. I'm like, blue? Oh my gosh. Super cool. Super, super cool.
We have one stopping. Look at this. Yes, that was perfect. Man, I wish every one of them would do that. That is so sick. Oh my gosh, they're coming back. Oh, we got another one. Here we go, here we go, here we go. Yes. Oh no! Didn't want to shoot the fence. Got one. Dadgummit. Missed a shot there. That was a piece of shot. We got one more coming. Yes, okay. Man, that thing got close. It's hard to get on it. Needed two. We got one more coming through. Where'd he go? Here we go. Oh man, it is turning on out here. Yes, that one did it good. And I was watching this other one behind me, and I just saw the shadow of that one. I had to be real still and quiet there for a sec. Oh yes. Okay. We're getting them. We're getting them. If you enjoy these solo 410 videos, hit that thumbs up button. Take a second and hit it with your finger. It just takes a second. I really appreciate it. Appreciate you guys watching. Hope you're enjoying it. Here's another flock right here. Big flock. I just flock shoot. White wing. Got him. I got him. Oh my gosh. Got one spinning back. I got the white wing one. Where'd your buddies go? Oh my, I love this, man. This is one of my favorite things to do ever. I'm gonna go grab this one real quick. Come here. Right here. Yes. Oh, I barely got on him in time. Awesome, that one was probably 4 yards away. Sweet. Yes. No luck. Oh, look at the flock flying over me. Trying to get these things picked up so I don't forget about them, you know. A couple behind me I'm gonna grab. It's a big old stud there. Nothing. Ooh, they're full of Milo. Or no, it feels like wheat seed. Oh, no, not water. Oh, I got one to spin around with the throw. Look, he spun around when I threw it up. He's coming. That was sick. He spun around. I threw that bird into the decoys and he spun around. Unreal. They're so predictable. Pigeons are predictable. Holy cow. What a day we're having. Oh my goodness. What a day. Sometimes you get them with a 410 and you don't think you get them. They go down and don't know, there's not the pillowcase have a 12 gauge. Glad I came out here today. Eat a couple pidge for lunch. Here we go. Right at me. Right at me. On the fence. Yes, there we go. Ha ha! Landed on 2 more maybe. Let's see. Should I shoot a tall one? I hit him twice. Look at him. We got him. I told you it takes a second. I hit him twice. That was a tall boy with the old four piece. Oh my gosh. That was a 50-yarder. Oh, in the decoys. No, only one. Oh, only one shell. Oh, I got him. He's hurting. He's hurting. Oh my gosh. Right in front of me. That's the only thing about this over-under. It's hard to reload quick. That sucker went down. We got one over there, one over there. Oh my. What a day. Where did I get him just barreling at me? Double on the walk. Double on the walk. I'm trying to get these back. Oh. Yeah, Bella is at the trainer. I pick her up in 2 weeks. Then we're headed north for waterfowl season. My dog Bella, if you're new here, her second season as a hunting dog. Really pumped about it. The trainer's been sending me some vids and she's absolutely killing it. Oh, what a day. Okay. Here we go, turn back. Quick burner action there. Oh my gosh. I didn't bring enough shells, I don't think. Oh my gosh, what a shot. Oh, hit the hill. Oh, that was just for funsies. We got him. These flocks of pitch. Oh, spinning back, spinning back, spinning back. What a day. Oh my gosh, I think we're cleaning house on some of these. We are cleaning house on some of these guys. That's another 6, 7 down. When you can just see the shadow, you're seeing the shadow of the bird, you know it's coming around. Oh. 2 for 1. 2 for 1 with the 410. 2 for 1 with the 410. We had one coming back. I saw its shadow. 2 for 1 with a 410 on pigeons. Oh my gosh, guys. This has turned out to be one of the best pigeon hunts I've been on this year. Holy cow. That one was decoying nicely too. I don't know what we're at. We got probably 40 down maybe? Go ahead and try to watch the light. Oh, poof. Oh, where did he go? Can't resist this. Come here. There we go. I guess we're just gonna hunt till I'm out of ammo. That was sweet. under him. Right under him, you dummy. Or did I hit him? He's going down. Look. He just went down. He landed on the fence. He's hurt. Oh, yeah. Look at that flutter. One's going back for him. One's going back on him. Oh, coming back. Here we go. Let's get a little two-piece going. Just one. Spin around. We are having a ball out here. Got a crop duster flying behind us. Right here. White wing tips. Right before the ground. Come on, I thought one more was coming. Two-piece. Double, 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 double. Put the four-piece over under. What a freaking day. This is crazy. Whitey's gonna wish he was here. Gosh, I wish Ryder was here filming this. Ryder's back home. I'll get to see him in about 3 weeks. Gosh dang, what a day. I wish all my buddies were here today. I did not think it was gonna turn out like this. What a freaking morning. We might have another band out there, who knows? Usually when you get one, you might get another. That's just kind of how it works. Sometimes I like to test myself. That one was a good tester. That one was a little skeptical there. Man, it kind of turned away. I got one. Our spread has doubled. We got a big old spread out now. Big decoy spread. Look at this. That was kind of a tougher shot right to left. That was far left. Dirty, but since this is kind of a spot they're coming back and hanging out in, that's why we're getting them later in the morning. If you're hunting out in a wheat field or something like that, they'll probably be done flying at 9 o'clock at the latest when it's this warm, this late in the summer. Oh, 5. We have 5 shells left. Cole, go down. Man, why'd you take that shot? Alright guys, we have 4 shells left. We're gonna pick all these things up, see how we did, see if maybe there's another band out there. All right, here on the right. That's what we want. Had to let him float there for a sec. All right, 3 shots. Awesome 410 day, awesome solo day. All right, 2 more and we're done. See if we can't get 2 more birds with it. What a great day. What a great day. Oh, a little far. Oh no, we got the one. one more. I gotta get this last one. Don't miss, Cole. Yes. Okay, that'll do it. Oh, that'll freaking do it. We'll get these birds picked up. Hope you enjoyed that. We're gonna go home and do a little clean cook. Before you guys click off, I'm gonna pick all these up, see if we got any more bands in there somewhere. Show y'all the one we got. Stand by. Oh man, they're just still coming in here.
Goodness. I'm trying to pick my shells up, they're still coming in. Oh my, no way.
We got a plastic band. Look at that. I just seen it dangling there. I didn't even notice when I picked it up. Oh shoot, I need to check all these a little better. Oh my gosh, we've gotten 3 bands today. What in the world? Find that first one we got. Oh my god. You have got to be kidding me. Oh my gosh, what a freaking day. That was one of the white winged ones. White band. Oh my god. No freaking way. We got another one, farmer coming out. Oh my gosh. Is this recording still? Holy cow. I don't know if you guys could see any of that. Farmer comes out, wants me to try out his new shotgun. I'm like, we got all these bands. I don't even know where I put them now. Oh my gosh. Well, anyway, I hope you could see me. I just dusted a few with his new 12 gauge shotgun he wanted me to try out. Holy cow. Unbelievable. Look at this. We got one from 2026, one from 2024, and 2026. And these plastic ones, they don't have a date on them. Look at that. 5 bands. We got 5 bands today. Holy cow. That hasn't happened in a long time. I don't know if I'm going to do a clean and cook. This video is going to be longer than I was expecting. I almost figured we'd get about 15 or 20 today, and then we'd go home and do a clean and cook. I'm still going to cook some, but I think this video has been awesome enough, long enough, and I hope you guys have enjoyed it. Please take a second, hit that thumbs up button. Let's get this video out to some more people. Waterfowl content is coming soon, so really appreciate you guys watching. I have nothing else to say, so we'll see you on the next one.